Okay, class. So today we're gonna learn about math. We're gonna go over our new subject. Today, the objective of this lesson will be for you to be able to use manipulative in order for you to know how to add or subtract with using manipulative things. Either it can be blocks, making little circles in your paper. So that will be the objective for today, for you to see, have, or learn different ways that you can use math in manipulative ways. So the assessment is for you. The assessment for today will be that I will be giving you a handout that involves either addition, subtraction, or division. And in each section, you will have different blocks or different circles, little things that I'll be hanging out to you later on. And for that, you're going to be using them in order to work with the problem. Either it's math, subtraction, or division. In each little one, I'll be getting you to know how to use them correctly. So having that said, we're going to continue with the lesson. As I mentioned before, today we're going to learn about math and how the understanding of each section. Since we're gonna go over 3 little sections, we're gonna go slowly by slowly. So the first section that we're gonna work on would be on addition. So in the first addition, let's turn everyone to our page. And on the first one, we can see that we have 1 plus 1. So everyone please get the blocks that you have that I handed out earlier. Okay, so I want you to get one block and put it on one side and get the other block and put it on the other side. As looking at the equation, we can see that we have 1 and we have a little symbol and then we have another number 1. That symbol will be the plus sign, meaning that you're going to add the 2 blocks that you have. So it's going to be 1 block plus 1 block equals 2 blocks. So in another form would be, technically what we're doing, it would be 1 plus 1 will equal to 2. Okay, so for the second one, let's go to the second equation, which would be 2 plus 3. So let's get the blocks. So we're gonna have 2 blocks on one side and 3 blocks on the other. Since you heard me earlier say plus, remember that will be one of our vocabulary words for addition. And so it's going to be 2 blocks plus 3 blocks equals. So just to not to get you confused, to know not to for you to use technically the word blocks in every single equation. So it will be 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay? So moving on to, since we already did 2 examples of addition. For the second part would be the subtraction. It will be the same thing as division, but instead of adding, you will be subtracting. But you're going to be using the same manipulative, using the blocks. In this equation, we have, the first equation we have 5 minus 3 equals, so in this case we're going to get 5 blocks, only 5 blocks, we're going to get only 5 blocks. And then from those 5 blocks, we're going to take away 3 that's being asked. So if you have 5 blocks in front of you, take away 3, how many you have left? So it will be 5 minus 3 equals 2. Okay? So let's go for a second equation. It will be 5 minus 1. So it would be also get the other 5, just take away 1. So it will be 5 minus 1 equals 4. For the third part, this will be a different technique. So in this case, instead of using blocks, let's put the little coins I gave you out earlier. So the third part, remember we have division. We have gone over this before, but now we're just going to use the manipulative. That way you have two ways on how to work with math. Either pens and paper using just your little hands, or using the manipulative, whichever will be easier. So for division, we're going to work on grouping. Grouping means putting two or three things equally to whatever groups that it's being asked for. For example, like the first equation, we have 10 divided by 5. So you have get 10 little coins that I give it out. So in that, in those 10, I want you put 5 in each group. So divide the 10. Remember, you can go back to your addition just to know how many ways you can add 10. And remember that has to be equal for both sides, or how many sides we're gonna have. So in this case, you can only divide twice. So it would be 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So in each two groups, you're gonna have 5 little coins with the same amount. Doing so, at the end, if you have any more questions, I would be glad to help you out. And I'll be walking around just to know if you have questions, so we can work on it. We can also work more together in class.